everybody. Building a Pro Co RAT. It's a breadboard circuit solderable. Almost done. Got my handy dandy print. Actually made this on DIY layout creator. I figured I better map it out instead of sitting here trying to read the print and transferring all that to here. So I use that program, DIY layout creator. It's actually got the breadboard, same as this one. I mapped it all out and arranged it the best way I could. I'm all new to this, not a professional, but I try. Gotta tin some wires here. It's kind of hard to hold this stuff. So I use whatever's convenient. It's important to keep your tip clean. This is my solder. You can't see it, it's behind the camera. It. Now I can take that and bend it the way I need it. A little bit of Robin Trower going here on the radio. So let's see, I gotta connect. Gotta connect this electrolytic capacitor to this row, which connects to pin number 2 of my IC chip. But I gotta look on the back. You gotta bridge these 2 columns together. So you make a little jumper wire. Make sure you got it in the right hole. I gotta squish that down a little bit more so I can get it in there. There we go. big fingers. In there. And you think this stuff is easy. Not easy, but it's fun. At least to me it is. I like to hold it in there so it doesn't move. And now I can solder it. Masking tape. A lifesaver sometimes when you need 5 hands. A little bit of solder now. About a 3-second rule on this. Clean your tip. That's the most important, to make that tip nice and shiny. Use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the Q-tip. Don't want it too juicy. I like to clean it off first. Any flux. Before I trim them, because otherwise, if you trim them, what happens is all these sharp edges, they catch the fibers and you end up with a bunch of fuzz. So after I clean it with my cutter, I like to trim it. That's done. What's next? Take that tape off of there now. That's that. Doesn't have to look too pretty. But oh, these bugs. Little no-see-ums. Now, time for some, look, I got another one on the other side. Got one more jumper cable I gotta make. A little jumper. For guitar pedals, all you need is 300 volt. I believe that's 22 gauge, 22.8 WG. I like to leave about a little over 1/8. I don't like that wire. I got it too hot and melted the coating on it when I soldered it in. Pin that down. Wish there was a better way to mark these so I know where to cut them. Or bend them, actually. I guess that'll work. Now I know where to cut it. And strip it. Gotta use the lowest setting. And like I said, about 1/8 of an inch. Maybe a hair more. The lowest hole. Got in the habit of putting my stuff in the handle over here. My strippers, my cutters, my pliers. I got my straight pliers, I got my curved pliers. Got all my meters. Got everything I need. Well, let's put a little bit of solder on that. 310 it. Makes it easier to solder. Don't worry, I'm not breathing those fumes in. Got a fan in the window over there. Let's see here, we're doing that first row right here. Tell you, it's very easy. Put things in the wrong places if you don't pay attention. Oh, this is aggravating. There. I'm going to solder this, and after I'm done soldering that, I'm going to fix this wire here. You can see I overheated it, so it's all effed up. So anyways, I don't think it's going anywhere, but it's very aggravating when you're trying to solder something and it pops out of the hole or falls out. And if you don't tape it, the thing moves all over the place. So I try to alleviate that. Clean my tip. Solder this in. Uh-oh. I didn't need that anyway. My eyes aren't like they used to be. Tip. Very important. Clean your tip. Otherwise, you just can't solder. What'd I do? I lost my Q-tip. Time almost nothing left to trim. Just a little sliver. I tell you. Sometimes I'm like a pack rat, and a little thing like that, it's junk. Why am I saving that? The leads are so short you can't even get solder to stick to it. Throw the shit out. They're only 2 cents a piece. Alright, that jumper's in. Gotta watch these capacitors. They bend real easy. Oh, she's getting there. Let me see here. A bunch more jumpers on it. I need a 1K resistor there. I got a shitload of diodes to put in too. Well, we'll do a 1K, I guess. Let's see here. I got my meter. Put it on 2K. I only need 1K. Overload. That means it's probably a 10K. Yep, 9.92. 91. So that's a 10K. So that's for something else. Another hole. Let's try this one. That lead I can solder, even though it is a little short. And that is a 1K. It's okay if they're, you know, like 997, 1.2, 1.5. They all got a tolerance. Below it and up to the top over there. So up in the top. That little bugger, he looked like a little tiny grasshopper. Well, that's in there now. Shove it down, and then I can solder it now. A little piece of tape to hold it. Don't want it falling out. good thing that I don't try to get money from these videos I do. Although actually this is my first one. I know I got shitty cam, it's just my iPhone I'm using. I don't give a crap. I don't do it for anybody but myself. Clean that tip. Got my solder station set to, it only says it's Celsius, 385 Celsius. You don't want to go cooler. A lot of people, they do it at like 360, 650, and you got to sit there and hold your solder gun or solder tip on that spot for, 30 seconds, 20 seconds. You're gonna burn any of your parts like this. You're gonna destroy them with the heat. So I set it real high. So I'm in now real quick. I ain't gotta worry about things burning up. And like I said, I like to clean. I like to clean them before I cut them. So I don't want the fuzzies everywhere. Gotta get that flux off of there. Flux is a bad thing. It can actually, it's almost like an acid. It'll actually eat wires, disintegrate them. You leave that shit on there. That 1K. That one right here. Just did that one. Sitting in there pretty. What's next? Like I said, I got a lot of jumpers to do, but those are boring. I suppose a lot of people think this is boring. I love this stuff. I already got those and I already need a, well, I can use my 10K. Got a 10K going here. That'll be on pin number, well actually that's on the J112. It's a transistor. Goes on the middle leg of the transistor to ground. Yeah, middle leg of the resistor to ground. I keep one leg straight and then I just bend the top lead down, especially with the small hole widths, and then you just put them down in it. If it goes like two, like you see these other ones, they're laying down, but these ones here I got them standing up because the holes are so close. You can do it either way, unless you have like a real tiny one like this one. Then you don't need to do it like that. You just force them in. And what did I say? Middle leg to ground. They're fucking bugs. Now see this one here. I can get away with just bending both legs. Make like a little U. Like that. Instead of standing them up. This one will work because it's wide enough. Middle leg to ground. Middle leg of the transistor. And is that ground? Yes, that's ground. See, if you look at these, this is the ground row, and this is a 9-volt row. I'll connect here to over to this one for my 9-volt. That's actually my VR. I'll explain that. I don't want to get too involved in technology, technical shit. A lot of people don't understand it. That's okay, I do. I'll just give that a little tug. Seat it down in there. And this one. To tape it. See what I mean? Go all over the place. That's the most aggravating thing. Those stupid helping hands, the little alligator clip thingies. They're freaking garbage. They don't work. Piece of tape. Best thing there is. Flux off of there. Got that bugger. Fit through the holes of the screens, those little bugs. What am I looking for? My cutters. Right where I left them. If you're not careful, sometimes those little things go flying. Those little pieces of wire. Especially on the thicker resistors, like the 1 waters. The wire's a little bit thicker. Alright, that was the 10 meg. You know, I better check that. Make sure put the right one in there because I hate desoldering. Yep, 9.92. So I know that's correct. Alright, what else do we have here? That was the 10K and the 1, I got a 1 meg going there too. 1 meg's going on the right leg of that transistor. Oh shit, wait. Did I do that? Please don't tell me. I did do that. I'm gonna have to desolder that. The 1 meg goes in the center and the 10K goes on the right leg. Well, that kind of sucks. Well, thank God I got a desoldering station. I think that's it for music. And I can't mess with the phone. That takes forever to heat up. Another dead bug. Little bugger. At least they ain't gonna bother me anymore. Well, now I can take that other wire off that's all melted and pull that out of there. It's up to 450 now and climbing. So that's a 10K, and I'm gonna need a I'm gonna mess up this phone now because I gotta grab my resistors. And they're under the phone. That was smart. Let's see if I can do this without wrecking everything. And I am. I think I'm just gonna call that a day. My pile of resistors. Oh, my gummies. These are alright. They're not too bad. I like the other ones I used to get. That's the print I'm going off of. Stupid bugs. This here is... That's the one I gotta do next, but I soldered this one in that spot. So I gotta take it out and put the good one in, the one that belongs there. This is my electrical workbench, my scope. Behind that I got that blue thing. That's my isolation transformer. And then this orange thing. That's my Variac. All my cords. That's an old Harley Davidson watch I got from my brother. That box up there, that's a tube tester. Ancient one. I restored that whole thing. My meters, my soldering station, my desoldering station, my drill press for drilling out my boxes for guitars. I'm going to be doing that etching too on these, on the face. This is a junk one. I made some mistakes, but where the heck did the other one go? Oh, here it is. But yeah, these, I'll do that. Not acid, it's like a salt and a car charging battery on like 2 amps. That's gonna be cool when I do that. And then all my parts and supplies, more parts. Oh, my microscope up there. My world. That's it. Bye.